All right, how's it going? Good morning, guys. Okay, we got about a minute to go to the bell. Looking at the 512 right now. We had some good pre-market trades. Looking at the 512 right now, we're ready to go above this moving average. So we're going to put our first order in at 33 long. Then we're going to look for the short towards the VWAP, 32 short. 2 orders. Make sure you got your brackets in play. Whichever one fails, go ahead and cancel out the other one so that you don't get prematurely stopped. Go
Stop
ahead and mark your
filled.
VWAP at 31.85. Right now, we don't have a definitive level 2 except the upside. We got an overhead resistance at 33. Make that 33.25 long. 32 short.
Stop filled.
32 short triggered. Go ahead and take your profit. One point in on that 32 short. Cancel out your other order now. Okay, your road is wide. Big signals, okay? At 32 short is running. Okay, look for the reversal. The RSI is already flipping over. Okay, let this thing pull back. Take the order 31.5 long.
Stop filled.
Okay, here we go. Possible flag
Order
pattern,
filled.
30.25 short.
Order filled.
Big level 2 at 33. 31.5 long triggered. Go ahead and take
Stop
your
filled.
profit. Cancel out that short. Got wide roads in there.
Order filled.
Okay, consolidation right there.
Stop filled.
Let's see if it breaks the 32.5, 30.25 short.
Order filled.
Big level 2 at 28.
Order filled.
30.25 short triggered. Go ahead and take your profit on that one. Still in on that 30.25 short. RSI out at 4 ticks. Look for the next one. Reversal at 30 long. If it continues short, oh, we broke the short at 29. Okay, put the order in 28.5 short.
Order filled.
28.5 short triggered.
Order filled.
28.5 short. Take your profit. Or let it run. The road is wide. 1 point in. 2 points in. Sorry, 1 point in. RSI flipped over. Reversal at 29. 29 triggered. 29 triggered long. Go ahead and take your profit on that. Let's see if we bust over this support at the magenta. Take your profit on that 29. Okay, look for the reversal coming in 28.5 right on the moving average. If we go
Order
long, let's
filled.
go 30.25 above the magenta breakout.
Order filled.
Move your short order to 29 right on the moving average. Let's go long 30.25 above the magenta. We got 2 orders in. Go ahead and cancel whichever one comes first. Right now, if you look at your charts on the 512, we are consolidating sideways. So we already got our overhead resistance at 29.75. Okay, 29 short triggered. The 29 short trigger. If you got your 1 tick bracket, you would have got filled. If you got a run around there, you can go ahead and take your profit. Get a watch that RSI. Watch that RSI. Let that thing flip over. Okay, if that RSI flips, then you go ahead and take your profit on that. RSI is your key signal when you're scalping because it moves fast. It reflects off the price action. Okay, we're still gonna keep our long. Um, see, we got the magentas over there at 30.25. Okay, see if we break out of that magenta. 29 short, below the moving average.
Stop filled. Order filled.
29 short triggered. Go ahead and take your profit on that. Watch your RSI again. If you don't have a bracket and you're going to manually take your profit, you want to watch that RSI, which direction it goes. If it starts to flip, okay, you want to go ahead and take your profit now, okay? Again, if you got your 1 or 2 ticks, that's money right there. So you can go ahead and take it. Your road, look at your road now. Your road became real thin, right? So what happens when the road gets thin? You're gonna narrow out your bracket because right now, if you look at the market, it's going sideways. Okay, unless you have the capital, unless you have the profits to play with, you can let it run. Okay, so right now at 29, we're in for 1.4 ticks. It's probably gonna make a run right now. We got a big level 2 down there at
Order filled.
26. It might push it below. 27.25 is our bottom support. Okay, want to take a long above the moving average at 29.25.
Order filled. Order filled.
28 reversal. 28 reversal.
Order filled.
28 triggered short. 28 triggered short. Go ahead and take your profit on that. Again, if you want to let it run, go ahead. Just watch the RSI. Cancel out the long order. Okay. Sorry. Here we go. Where's our moving average at? 28.25. Okay, our bottom support is at 27.25. Let's take a 27 short order with the big level 2 at 26. Okay. If we do go long, we could take a long order at 28.5.
Order filled. Order filled.
28.5 triggered. Go ahead and take your profit. Cancel out that short order. Take your profit on that 28.5. Road is wide, but the RSI is flipping. Okay, look for the short 28.50. You went 28.5 long. Let's go 28.5 short.
Order filled.
Just below the moving average.
Order filled.
Did we break out? Let's go 29.5 long.
Order filled.
We are above the zero line, so we should be going into a bull run right now. Let's just take turns back. $29.5 long, $28.5 short.
Order filled. Order
28.5
filled.
short triggered. Go ahead and take your profit on that.
Order filled.
One point in. Your road is wide. Your signals are all in play. We are right at support. If you break this support, we're going to drop down some more. We got big level twos at 26. I'm out at 27.5. 4 takes on that. Okay, we right at support level. We see if we want to break this 27.25. Go 27 short, 28 long, right on the moving average. Okay, limit orders on both. I'm going to play right
Stop
in between
filled.
this spread. If we break this 27.25, we're going to go 27 short. If we tend to go long, we're going to go 28 long, right on the moving average. There's our reversal bubble. Big level 2 downside.
Order filled.
27 short triggered. You got to take your profit on that. 27 short. Level 2 targets hit. One point in. Still got that big level 2 at 83.
Order filled.
Big level 2 at 25. Did I say 83? Oh, looking at the wrong chart. Sorry. 27 short. You can go ahead and take your profit. Watch the RSI. Six ticks on that run. We got the reversal bubble right there. Take your order at 26. Nice. Your order entry should have been right off that bubble at 26 on the pullback. Reversal order right on the moving average 25.75. Let's take this thing long right above this resistance at 26.5. 26.5 triggered. Go ahead and take your profit on that.
Stop filled.
You gotta be able to watch the way the thing go. Now, if you got that one or two tick profit in there, go ahead and take it. Okay. You gotta watch it. The different levels is gonna bounce off different levels right there. Right there, it kind of just bounced off the 50. Um, got a 50 EMA right there. You kind of bounce off of that. It's right on the moving average now. Let's go 26 short.
Stop filled.
Adjust your VWAP 30.6.
Order
28
filled.
long above the magentas. If we bust the magenta at 28, we might make a run to the VWAP.
Order rejected.
26.5 short.
Order rejected.
Triggered on a 26.5. I might have to break even on this. I got big level 2 down at 25. I'm gonna eat down for 2 ticks. Sorry, shucks. Looking at that 28 long. Looks like we're wedging upside. Looks like we're channeling to go upside. I think the buyers all wants to come in to take this thing back up, but right now we kind of tightening up into an ascending wedge. Well into profits right now. So everything right now is just playing. Um, see what we got right here. Got a triple top. Going to break above the magenta. 28 long. If it does, it's probably going to run to the VWAP, which is at 30.5. If you're looking at the 512, it's kind of consolidating right around that 27.5 level. Okay, you can see how it starts to wedge up. If you draw your it's creating lower highs. I'm sorry. it's creating higher lows. So that's wedging up right now. Looks like we broke that thing 26 short. See if we can make a run to 25. Hey, 26 short trigger. Go ahead and take your profit. You can bracket out in at 26. Run to 25. Yep, level 2, 25 level 2 target hit. 4 ticks in. Um, nice. That was a 4 tick run. Okay, we consolidating right there at the 25 level. So we look for a reversal. One more order, 26 long. 26 long triggered. Take your profit on that 26. Come on, I just gotta fill two more. Two more fills. There we go. I'm out at 26.5 for 2 ticks. There's the breakout of the magenta. Still got that 28 long. Let's see if we make a run on this 28. 28 long triggered. Let's take that one lousy tick. RSI went flat. One tick on that. Okay, let's see. Not too bad, guys. So far, I think we got about 47 ticks on the day. Okay, that was it for voice. We had 4:57 a.m. 30 minutes. Looks like right now we're looking at it. We need to break out of this level at 28.5. We're gonna make a run to the VWAP, which is at 30.2. I just said 30.25. Okay, so we're gonna make a run to the VWAP, like it always does. Okay, so guys, same thing, man. We just is playing the breakouts. We're playing the level 2 targets. We hit several level 2 targets. Mm, there's a lot of shorts today. So you gotta, whenever you go back and look at, the journals and look at your trades, okay, look at today's play, especially on the 512. Okay, that's where we're at. Like I said, let's just take it back. If the 512 is too fast for you guys, go ahead and go to the 1 minute and just use all four signals. Okay, remember now, all you need is to make your quota. You don't have to go in there and make 30, 40 ticks. It's nice, but all you need is your 4 ticks. Okay, quota. Shoot for your quota, especially if you guys are having a hard time trying to establish your trade executions. Okay, once you get your 4 ticks, you can just stop and just kind of observe. But like I said in the beginning of the year, I really want you guys to be aggressive. Okay, even if you guys been practicing for a while, remember now if you're practicing over 3 weeks to a month now, it's a little bit too long. Okay, now you just start playing like a game. You got to take it aggressive. Okay, because the whole point is to try to get you guys going live and trying to establish some supplemental income. Okay. Um, just got to look at the signals and look where it's at as a part towards the moving average and as a part to the breakouts of the S1, the level, the supports and resistance. Okay, so if you got big level twos showing on your DOM, okay, look where it's at as far as all the four signals. Okay, is the road thin? Is the road wide? Is the road red? Is the road green? Okay, and that's the case. Look where your candles are at in relation to that, and then we're gonna play the RSI if you're gonna scalp it. Okay, that RSI turns from bright green to dark green, then you know it's fading, right? Take your profit. Remember now, you don't have to look for that long run. As long as you got 1 or 2 tick profit, that's good enough because profits adds up. Okay, we're pretty good. We don't need to be greedy, right? We're gonna take small moves and add up our ticks because at the end of the day, the ticks will add up. Okay, we're trying to become proficient, consistent day traders. Okay, we're not swing trading. We're not doing long term investing right now. Okay, for some of us at least. Okay, we want to be strictly just day trading. Okay, hit our profits, hit our quota, and done for the day. Let that thing add up. Okay, don't focus on the dollar amount. You got to focus on the ticks. Okay, don't look at the dollar amount until after, whenever you plug in your journal or whatever. Okay, and again, let's reiterate that if you're on Tradeovate, make sure you put your values, your P&L values in ticks. Okay, don't put it in dollar value because sometimes when you see the dollar amount, it kind of twists your brain a little bit. Okay, your decision making is gonna be kind of off. Okay, let that tick add up. Okay, because before you know it, look like we have 47 ticks today. Okay, um, for me trading at 10 contracts that's just money. Some of you guys are I think some of you guys are trading live, some of you guys doing 8. Okay, even if you follow my trade and get 1 tick in. Okay, let me see what we got right here. A 17 trades. Okay, 17 trade. I had one setback for 2 tick, but 17 trades, 16 trades, even at 1 tick, that's 16 ticks. Okay, if you're doing 8 contracts, that's $1,600. Okay, it's pretty good. Okay, so um study it, guys. I cannot really do anything more, but because everything is right in front of you. Okay, unless you don't have the updated. Well, there's not that much update on the chart except I plotted the S1, S2. There's a CCI line that you can or you don't need to have it. Let's just make sure you're either buying or selling, and then you got your scalp prices. Okay, now if you notice, those of you with the signals that are calling out long or short orders, okay, and then the scalp prices come in after the fact, okay, that's even more confirmation that you can take either one. Okay, either you take my order that's going in because remember now I'm trading live, so I'm calling out what I'm trading. However, I'm not going to call trigger until I get fully filled. Okay, so usually when the market hits the price I'm calling, I usually get filled like 406 if I'm doing 10 like today. And then as it pulls back and it comes back to the price, then I get fully filled, and then I'll call trigger. It's good practice to do that because whenever you trade live, you have to trade against the market. And when you trade against the market, it's like standing in line and getting ready to get served, right? Um, if you don't have enough buyers on the other side, then you can't sell. Okay, remember that now. It's like an auction. Okay, if 50 guys are selling, you need 50 guys to buy in order to make a transaction. Okay, and if you put your order in at that line, you now become 51. Okay, so now you need 51 guys on the other side. Okay, That's the only way it's gonna make a transaction. We are in a free fall right now. If you guys saw that, you guys could take that. If you look at your signals now, nice. Okay. Um, really nice. Okay, that was a 29 entry from the top. Okay, that was actually the last trade, 29 to 25. Okay, that was a nice job. We kind of went up towards the VWAP, and it kind of reversed, right, and then we broke down the 50, and then it just dropped to the 25. So that was pretty good. That happened right at 5 o'clock too. Okay, hold on. So again, like I said, if you guys are stuck in a rut doing the same thing over and over, you're getting same results. You gotta change up something a little bit. Okay. If you guys are consistently making your quota, totally fine. Okay. I want you guys to be a little bit more aggressive. Or if not, if you can stick to your plan. If that's your plan, then that's totally fine. Stay with your plan. Okay. Um 26. Okay. So remember breakouts? We had several chart patterns in play. We had breakouts off the support and resistance. We used several of our reversal and scalp bubbles, and we were playing the moving average and the level twos. Same thing, guys, every single day. So on those Tuesday, Thursdays when we don't have voice chat, try to play the market that way. And if you can, I know a lot of you guys have laptops, right? What makes it effective is if you can open multiple charts. Okay, if you can open up a 512 and a 1 minute, you can kind of see the different deviations which way the market's gonna go. So I open up all three. I'm looking at the 233, the 512, and a 1 minute. And for me, if all three charts are in sync or basically all moving the same way, I know we're going in that direction. Right? So if your 233 is green, 512 is green, 1 minute is green, well, guess what? We're buying. Okay. So sometimes it's good to rely on other chart time frames. That way you can kind of more guarantee your direction of trade. But I know, like I said, like most of you guys who got laptops, it's kind of hard. But um, like I said in the beginning, if you're gonna take this serious, you're gonna need the serious tools. Okay. If your laptop can hook up to an external monitor, that would be best. If you got a desktop system, use multiple screens. That would be optimal. Okay, because like I said, if you're gonna go to war, you need the right weapons. Okay, it's the only way it's gonna work. Okay, you can look at pictures of guys day trading. You got multiple screens up, and they use multiple screens for a reason. Okay. Other than that, I think we're doing pretty good. Not too much concerning chatter on the chat room, so that tells me that everybody's doing okay. There's some stuff that people are still wondering about. This is pretty good. It's good reading material. Some guys are just repeating the same thing from over and over. Um, but like I said, if you guys need anything, if you guys stuck on something, if you guys need help on what is it to a breakout, if the videos can't help you, if the other members can't help you, then let me know. Okay, we can do a quick screen share session and get you guys back on track. Okay, I'll be available today if anybody needs it. I'll be available at about 7. Okay, and let me know on chat if you guys need anything. If you guys need an update, if you guys need to go over some stuff, I'll walk through some stuff. Just let me know. Okay, I'm pretty much done trading for the day. Okay, because I already made my quota, so I'm good. Okay, I'm not gonna get greedy and throw stuff back. Okay, so other than that, if you guys got nothing, I'll be on the chat room. You can always hook me up on there, and we see if we can get you guys some help if you guys need it. Okay, other than that, you guys have a great weekend, and we see you guys again back on Monday. All right, have a nice weekend.